Welcome back to YouTube channel The Oblivion. In this video we are discussed about differences between general anesthesia and regional anesthesia across various topics. Number 1 topic is definition. General anesthesia. A type of anesthesia that renders a patient completely unconscious and unaware during a surgical procedure. It involves the use of inhaled gases or intravenous drugs. Regional anesthesia. Anesthesia that blocks sensation in a specific area of the body. It involves the injection of anesthetics near a nerve or a group of nerves. Number 2 topic is effect on consciousness. General anesthesia. The patient is in a state of complete unconsciousness and has no awareness of the procedure. Regional anesthesia. The patient remains conscious but does not feel pain in the targeted area of the body. Number 3 topic is administration. General anesthesia. Administered through inhalation of anesthetic gases or intravenous injections. Regional anesthesia. Administered via injections or infusions near nerves such as epidural, spinal, or peripheral nerve blocks. Number 4 topic is use cases. General anesthesia. Typically used for major surgeries or procedures where complete unconsciousness is required, such as abdominal surgeries, major orthopedic operations, or brain surgery. Regional anesthesia. Often used for procedures involving a specific part of the body, such as orthopedic surgery on an arm or leg, or childbirth epidural. Number 5 topic is duration. General anesthesia. The duration is managed to match the length of the surgery, with a controlled recovery phase. Regional anesthesia. Duration can vary but is generally longer than the procedure itself, with residual effects that can last for hours after the procedure. Number 5 topic is side effects. General anesthesia may include nausea, vomiting, confusion, and potential respiratory or cardiovascular complications. Regional anesthesia may include headaches, nerve damage, or temporary loss of sensation in the affected area. Rarely, it may cause a more serious reaction like an allergic reaction or infection. Number 6 topic is recovery. General anesthesia requires time for the patient to wake up and recover from the effects, often in a post-anesthesia care unit (PACU). Regional anesthesia recovery involves the gradual return of sensation and movement in the affected area, with patients often recovering more quickly from anesthesia effects. Number 7 topic is monitoring. General anesthesia requires continuous monitoring of vital signs, including heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels throughout the procedure. Regional anesthesia monitoring is focused on the specific area affected and general vitals, but the patient's level of consciousness is maintained. Number 8 topic is indications. General anesthesia indicated when complete muscle relaxation and unconsciousness are required or when the patient cannot remain still. Regional anesthesia indicated for surgeries where pain control is needed in a localized area, and the patient can tolerate being awake.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel. Never miss an update.